If you are stepping into web development, you have probably heard the hype around Next.Js. But is it just another framework? How is it different from React? And how does it stack up against a giant like Angular? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Next.Js is, its killer features, and help you decide which one you actually need for your next project. Let's dive in. First, let's define it. Next.js is a React framework for production. Think of it this way. React is like a powerful car engine. It's amazing, but on its own, it's just an engine. You still need to build the chassis, the wheels, and the transmission to actually drive it. Next.js is the entire car. It takes the React engine and wraps it in a complete structure with routing, optimization, and server-side capabilities, so you can start driving immediately. It solves the common problems developers face when using plain React. So what makes Next.js so special? There are three main features that separate it from the pack. Number one is server-side rendering and SEO. Standard React apps render in the browser. This means users might see a blank white screen for a split second, and Google bots struggle to read your content. Next.js renders the page on the server before sending it to the user. This means lightning-fast load times and excellent SEO ranking. Number two is file-based routing. In other frameworks, you have to write complex code just to link pages together. In Next.js, if you create a file called about.js inside your pages folder, it automatically creates the /about route. No extra code required. And number three, API routes. You can actually write backend code inside your Next.js app. You don't necessarily need a separate Node.js server. It's all in one place. Now, let's get to the big comparison. First, Next.js versus React. Remember, React is a library, while Next.js is a framework. If you are building a private dashboard or a tool behind a login screen, React is perfect. But if you are building an e-commerce store, a blog, or anything that needs to be found on Google, Next.js is the clear winner because of its SEO capabilities. Second, Next.js versus Angular. Angular is a heavyweight. It's a full framework used mostly by large enterprises and banks. It has a very steep learning curve and uses TypeScript strictly. Next.js is much more flexible. It's easier to learn if you know JavaScript, and it creates faster, lighter websites compared to the often heavy feel of Angular apps. To summarize, use Angular for massive enterprise apps. Use plain React for highly interactive, private dashboards. But choose Next.js for almost everything else, especially if speed and SEO are your top priorities. I hope this cleared up the confusion. If you want to see a practical tutorial on setting up a Next.js project, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.